How to overlay photos on iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Ever wanted to overlay one photo on top of another to create cool effects or collages? Don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you how to overlay photos on your iPhone using built-in tools and free apps. So let's get started. First, open the Freedom app on your iPhone. Tap the plus button, then choose Photos or Videos. Select the photos you want to use and place them on the canvas. Next, resize, move and overlay the photos as you like. You can also adjust transparency by using image editing tools. Next, try using a free app like Canva. Download and open the Canva app from the App Store. Tap and create a design and select your desired canvas size. Next, upload your photos and drag them into one canvas and layer them by adjusting their size and position. Canva also lets you add effects and transparency for more customization. And that's it. Whether you are using the Freedom app or a free app like Canva, overlaying photos on your iPhone is super easy and fun. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more creative tips. And drop a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.